The media is a powerful force. It can build you up, it can tear you down. In today's digital age, this power is amplified. It's a megaphone broadcasting to the world. Your story, your mistakes, your triumphs. This essay is a guide. It will help you navigate the treacherous waters of media attacks. It will equip you with the tools to protect your reputation. Because in this arena, silence is not an option. Think of this as a shield, a way to deflect the negativity, to emerge stronger, more resilient. This is about owning your narrative. Even when it feels like the world is against you, you have a voice. Use it. Media attacks come in many forms. Understanding the nature of these attacks is key. It's the first step to formulating an effective defense. There's the direct hit, a scathing article, a damning interview. This is a full frontal assault intended to inflict maximum damage. Then there's the slow burn rumors, innuendo, and half-truths. This is a war of attrition, chipping away at your credibility over time. Don't underestimate the power of social media. It can be a breeding ground for misinformation. A single tweet can spiral out of control. It can become a wildfire of negativity, engulfing your reputation. Knowledge is power. By understanding the different types of attacks, you can prepare yourself. You can face the storm head-on. Silence might seem like the easiest option, but in the court of public opinion, silence is often misconstrued as guilt. Inaction can be just as damaging as the attack itself. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. It's your credibility, your integrity. It takes years to build and seconds to shatter. A damaged reputation can have far-reaching consequences. It can impact your career, your relationships, your mental well-being. Ignoring an attack won't make it go away. In fact, it can make it worse. The longer you wait, the harder it is to control the narrative. Speaking up for yourself is not about seeking revenge. It's about setting the record straight. It's about protecting what you've worked so hard to build. When a media attack hits, your first instinct might be to panic, to lash out. Don't. Take a deep breath. Gather your thoughts. This is a time for strategic thinking. Your first line of defense is information. Gather all the facts. Understand the context. Identify your allies. And most importantly, know your enemy. Don't engage in a public mudslinging contest. This only plays into the hands of your attackers. It gives them more ammunition, more headlines. Instead, focus on delivering a clear, concise, and factual rebuttal. Let the truth be your weapon. Let your integrity be your shield. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself. Stay calm. And above all, stay true to yourself. Section 5. Building your fortress. Assembling your team. In this section, we will delve into the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people. You don't have to fight this battle alone. In fact, you shouldn't. The journey is much more manageable when you have a team by your side. Assemble a team of trusted advisors, people who can offer you sound advice and unwavering support. These individuals will be your guiding lights. Seek counsel from a seasoned public relations professional. Their expertise in managing public perception is invaluable. They are masters of crisis communication and can help you navigate the treacherous waters of media scrutiny. Engage a legal expert. Their knowledge is crucial in protecting your interests. They can advise you on your rights and protect you from legal pitfalls. Their guidance can be the difference between success and failure. Remember your inner circle, your family, your friends. These are the people who have been with you through thick and thin. These are the people who know you best, who love you unconditionally. Their support is not just emotional, but also practical. Let their support be your anchor in the storm. They can provide a sense of normalcy and stability. A strong support system is crucial. It provides you with the strength to endure and the courage to fight back. Together, you can face any challenge that comes your way. Remember, the strength of your team is the strength of your fortress. Section 6. Weathering the storm strategies for damage control. Damage control is about minimizing the impact of the attack. When a crisis hits, the first step is to assess the situation quickly and accurately. It's about regaining control of the narrative. You need to steer the conversation back in your favor. This requires a multi-pronged approach. Respond swiftly and decisively. Time is of the essence, and every second counts. Silence is often interpreted as guilt. Address the allegations head-on. Confront the issues directly and don't let rumors fester. Provide evidence to support your side of the story. Transparency can help rebuild trust. Facts matter. Use them to your advantage. Engage with your audience. Clear, factual communication can dispel misinformation. Use social media to connect with your supporters. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram can amplify your message. Be open, be transparent, be human. Remember, perception is reality. Authenticity can go a long way in restoring your image. Your goal is to shape public opinion, to restore your reputation. Public perception can be swayed with the right approach. Don't be afraid to take legal action if necessary. Sometimes legal measures are required to protect your interests. This sends a clear message that you will not be bullied, that you will fight to protect your name. Standing firm can deter future attacks. Time is a powerful healer, but it's not enough to simply wait for the storm to pass. You need to be proactive in rebuilding your reputation. Focus on your accomplishments. Remind the world of your contributions. Let your actions speak louder than words. Engage in positive PR. Support causes you believe in. Align yourself with organizations that share your values. Use this experience as an opportunity for growth. Reflect on the lessons learned. Emerge stronger, wiser, more resilient. Remember, the court of public opinion is fickle, but it's also forgiving. With time and effort, you can rebuild trust. You can reclaim your narrative. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment, to respond to attacks with anger and resentment. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. Maintain your composure. Respond with dignity and grace. Remember, your character is your strongest asset. Don't stoop to the level of your attackers. Avoid engaging in personal attacks or mudslinging. This only diminishes your position. Focus on the facts. Present your side of the story with clarity and conviction. Let the truth be your guide. Remember, you are not defined by the accusations leveled against you. You are defined by how you respond to them. Every challenge presents an opportunity for growth, a chance to learn, to adapt, to become stronger. A media attack, though painful, can be a catalyst for positive change. Use this experience to reevaluate your priorities, to strengthen your resolve, to emerge from the fire more resilient than ever before. Share your story. Your journey can inspire others facing similar challenges. Your vulnerability can be a source of strength for others. Turn your setback into a platform for advocacy. Use your experience to raise awareness about important issues, to fight for justice and fairness. Remember, you are not alone. Many have walked this path before you and emerged stronger on the other side. History is replete with examples of individuals who have overcome adversity. These stories are not just tales of survival, but of triumph, of turning the darkest moments into beacons of hope, who have faced down their accusers and emerged from the fire stronger than ever before. Their journeys are a testament to the power of the human spirit. Nelson Mandela endured decades of imprisonment, yet he emerged to lead South Africa to democracy. His resilience was not just in surviving, but in transforming a nation. Malala Yousafzai was shot for speaking out in favor of education for girls. Her courage in the face of such violence is a powerful reminder of the importance of standing up for what is right. Today, she is a global advocate for human rights. Her voice echoes across the world, inspiring millions to fight for their rights and the rights of others. These individuals faced unimaginable challenges. Their stories are not just about the obstacles they encountered, but about the strength they found within themselves to overcome them. Yet, they never gave up. Their perseverance is a lesson to us all, showing that no matter how tough the journey, persistence can lead to victory. They never lost sight of their values. In the face of adversity, they held on to their principles, guiding them through the darkest times. They turned their pain into purpose. Their suffering became a catalyst for change, driving them to make a difference in the world. Their setbacks into stepping stones. Each challenge they faced became an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to inspire others. Their stories remind us that the human spirit is indomitable. No matter the odds, the human spirit can rise above and beyond. That even in the face of adversity, hope endures. Hope is the light that guides us through the darkest times, reminding us that better days are ahead, and that from the ashes of despair, we can rise again. stronger, wiser. Each setback is a setup for a comeback, a chance to rebuild and renew, more resilient than ever before. Remember their stories. Let their journeys inspire you to face your own challenges with courage and determination. Draw strength from their courage. Let their resilience be a beacon of hope in your own life, showing you that you too can overcome. And know that you too can overcome any obstacle life throws your way. No matter how insurmountable it may seem, you have the strength within you to prevail. You too can turn your setbacks into a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Your story can be one of resilience, of turning challenges into triumphs, and of inspiring others to do the same. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with others. Let's spread the message of resilience and hope together.